Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a copy of a document in the Google Sheets app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Google Sheets app. And here it opens up in this view. From here we just have to select the document that we want to make a copy of and tap on the three dots next to its name. And here if you scroll down, there is make a copy, and we can just tap on this, set the name to the document, and then select the folder where we want to have it, and then just tap on OK, and the app is going to create the copy, and yeah, it opens up afterwards. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.